All right, we're looking at figure 1 here. Again, this is part 2. This is part 2. We're starting with number 7. Number 7 says, give another name for plane X. Plane X is this horizontal looking plane. So give another name for it. Remember, we need 3 non-collinear points. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 points on it already that we can use to name it. So we could say plane DBA. You could say DBC. You could say ABF. Doesn't really matter. You can do it in different order, but as long as you're given the name in its respect to everything. All right, let's look at number 8. Name a line that intersects plane X at one point. Oh, it's plane Z, I meant. Name a, oh, it is X, oops, so I am right. I was just thinking ahead. Name a line that intersects plane X at one point. Plane X, yeah, it is Z. So name a line that intersects plane Z. Wow, that's hilarious. Mess up, mess up, mess up. So name a line that intersects plane Z at one point. Plane Z. So plane Z is here. The line that intersects it at one point would be line HE. It could be HK. It could be EH. It could be EK. Doesn't really matter as long as you depict it correctly. Name a line that intersects plane Z at one point. There we go. Okay, number 9. Name the line, or name the 2 lines that intersect point B. We have point B right here, so we have line L and line A. Ooh, that's a horrible looking A. So we have line L and line A, because point B is here, line A, line L. Name the line of intersection between plane Z and plane X. Plane Z, plane X. Name the line of intersection between plane Z and plane X. Well, you could say a lot of line. You could say line A, or any other type of name. You could say AB. You could say AC. So on and so forth. There's very many different names. But you could not say DB, BF, FD. You can't use those points because that is not the line of intersection between these two. Number 11. Name the line segment lying on top of plane Z. What line segment is on plane Z? As we can see, these are not a line segment. Go down. Line segment would be GH. Remember, we're talking about a line segment. So that means it ends on that plane. A line goes on forever in 2 directions. And this line segment is 100% contained by this plane. It is not moving with it, because as we know, a plane goes on forever in 4 directions. All right, number 12. Give 4 different names to line L. 4 different names for line L. Okay, so we have, first we could say DB. Then you can say BD. We could say BF. We could say FB. You can even continue with more with that. All right, and that's part 2 of this video.